morning. Good morning, my good people. Day 21. We legal out here. Today we're gonna do something quick and easy. Everything's been quick and easy, or at least in my opinion. Has everything been quick and easy? Answer right there and let me know. So just make sure I'm on board. Before we get into this video, let me know if there's any styles that you want me to go over, or any styles that you'd like me to attempt this morning, or not this morning, one of these mornings before the 30-day marathon. Before the 30-day marathon is over. If it's an extensive style, I'll notate it and probably try to do it later on. But today what I want to do is, put some oil in my hair, moisture, hydrate it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it almost up into this fan-like thing, but it's gonna be low to the back. Water, as y'all know, I always start off with water. And I'm using 2 new oils. Well, 2 new to y'all right now. I think you may have seen them in my vlog, but I am really actually trying these oils out, like for real, for real. Now to style, you want to pull all your hair back. Kind of like low like this. And then you want to take 2 pieces out from each side. So this piece is going to be my piece for this side, and this piece is going to be my piece for this side. So then you're going to take all the hair, pull it to the back, right? And then here, you want to kind of fold it up. Then you're going to use these to tie it up. So it's like a different kind of interesting little low bun that still has some little furry ends to it. But what it does is picks the hair up off your back. It still sits on your neck, but I'm okay with that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, drop a few comments below, answer any poll cards that have popped up in this corner. Ultimately, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notifications as soon as I post a video. Until next time, be easy.